Hi, and welcome to Craggle. We develop tools for the visual effects industry. This is a documentation video on SmartLink, a node linking and navigation system for Nuke. Using SmartLink, you can create representation nodes to keep your node graphs neat and clean by having all your sources in one location. You can then navigate between nodes to enhance their productivity. In addition, SmartLink provides a backdrop manager and a shortcut editor. But first, let's install SmartLink and then let's explore all of its features. Like any other Craggle product, SmartLink can be installed with Craggle Connect directly inside Nuke. For more information about Connect, please visit the link below. So open Connect and drag SmartLink to the right to reveal more information. Just click on Buy and you'll be located to the webpage where you can purchase SmartLink. After purchasing, you'll receive a mail including an install code. Now simply click on Install, enter your received install code, and SmartLink will be installed automatically on your machine. After the installation is finished, you will find a new submenu in your Craggle menu. Before we take a look at the SmartLinker, which is the main window of SmartLink, let's explore the backdrop manager that SmartLink offers. This will help us creating backdrop nodes for all our nodes to keep the node graph neat and clean. For instance, we can group all of our read nodes into a custom backdrop node and keep them at the top of the node graph. We can then use SmartLink to create links for our read nodes. So let's select our read nodes and navigate to our menu bar and choose Craggle SmartLink Backdrop Manager. The shortcut is Alt and B. Later, we'll see how to customize this shortcut to our needs. The preset manager shows up. In here, we can select a preset from the drop-down menu that SmartLink offers out of the box. Each preset creates a custom backdrop node using a predefined color, label, and an icon for us. Let's choose the plate preset. In the input file below, we can set a custom name that will be used in the backdrop's label. Let's leave it empty so it will use the selected preset's name. Before clicking the Create button, let's quickly explore the Settings section by clicking the Settings button at the top right. In here we see all presets. Each row presents a preset. We can update the color and the icon. Keep in mind that the icon must be contained within Nuke's plugin path. For more information about that, please refer to our written documentation. Clicking this button, we can remove the preset. We can also reorder the list. To do so, select a preset and press the up and down arrows to reposition the preset. Clicking the plus icon lets us create our custom presets, where we can add a name, a color, and an icon. Let's click the back button to return to the previous page and click the Create button. Our custom backdrop node was created, which contains our custom plate color, an icon, and a custom label. As we've now cleaned up our node graph, let's start exploring SmartLink's linking workflow. Let's create links for all of our read nodes in one go. We can then keep our read nodes inside our backdrop in one location and use the node representations down the line. To do so, select all read nodes and press Shift and L. All links were created in one go for us. So we can now use these nodes and keep our read nodes inside our backdrop node. Let's say we would like to have more links for our ship read node. To do so, simply copy and paste the link. By default, Nuke doesn't connect a postage stamp node to its source node when we copy and paste it. SmartLink, however, enables this functionality. We can also use the SmartLinker window to create links. To open the SmartLinker window, navigate to Craggle, SmartLink, SmartLinker. The shortcut is Ctrl or Command and the L key. The SmartLinker shows us nodes of our node graph, being ordered by node classes. Let's click the Read button to show all read nodes of our node graph. Each node in here shows the node name, the base name of the path if the node has a file knob, and the label content. Now, in order to create another link for our ship read node, simply drag and drop it into our node graph. The link will be created in the dropped location. We can use the class buttons at the top to switch between node classes, or click All to show all nodes. Hovering over a node in here shows the absolute path of the used file. SmartLink offers a custom navigation system that lets us easily switch between our links and the link's source node. Select a link node and hold Ctrl or Command and press the left arrow to jump to the previous link and the right arrow to jump to the next link. Pressing the up arrow navigates us to the link's source node. You can also use the Smart Linker to jump between your links. Hold your Alt key and press a link. In the upcoming window, choose the link to jump to. The links in here represent the node's names, so you can simply rename your links to quicker find them. Hold Ctrl or Command and click a link. This will navigate you to the source node. Let's switch to the All section to show all nodes. Using the search field, we can quickly search for nodes. Let's for instance search for all backdrop elements. So let's type in BG and the table will be updated. Entering something in here will search for node names, paths and labels. By default, SmartLink shows us read nodes, read geo nodes and camera nodes out of the box. But we can customize this to our needs and show all other required node classes. To do so, right-click any node class button and choose Edit from the context menu. The node class buttons hide and the input shows up. In here we can edit the node classes and reorder them. Let's for instance add the write node class to be able to quickly access all of our write nodes. SmartLink offers another feature which is called Favorites. Using this feature, we can bundle all of our favorite nodes into one central location. Let's click the star icon to switch to the Favorites section. To add any node to our favorite list, let's select it and click the plus button. You can also favorite any node by using the shortcut Alt and L. SmartLink lets you tint your nodes so that you can find them quicker, both in the SmartLinker as well as inside your node graph. This will tint the node in the SmartLinker, the source node itself, and all links. Let's for instance tint our ship node. To do so, hover over it in the SmartLinker and right-click it. From the context menu, choose Tint, Set. Let's select a light blue and click OK. All nodes of our selected node got tinted blue in one go. You can choose Tint Unset from the context menu to revert to the original color. SmartLink offers two layouts, a horizontal layout and a vertical layout. Using the Layout button at the bottom left, you can change the layout. This change will be remembered, even after closing the SmartLinker, closing Nuke, and restarting your machine. In addition, SmartLink offers a dockable SmartLinker. To access it, navigate to one of your pane menus and choose Window, Custom, SmartLinker. You can then save it to your layout and make the SmartLinker permanently visible to you. SmartLink offers multiple settings to customize it to your needs. To open the settings, let's click the Settings button at the bottom left. In here we can set a variety of things. For instance, we can keep the window always on top, show tooltips, set the startup position of our SmartLinker, or change the window opacity. For more information about all settings, please refer to our written documentation. When you're done, click the Save button. The changes will be applied immediately. Finally, let's have a look at the shortcut editor. For that, let's navigate to our menu bar and choose Craggle, SmartLink Shortcut Editor. SmartLink offers multiple shortcuts for various actions, and you can edit these to your needs in here. The updated shortcuts will be applied immediately, so there's no restart needed. So this was a documentation video on SmartLink, a node linking and navigation system for Nuke to speed up your daily work and keep your node graph neat and clean.